Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for the week starting Monday 27th of June 2022. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest, who won the indicator. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest in the next weekly trading ideas video. I'll also pick a person to win my volume profile indicator. And the only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and in the next weekly trading ideas video, I'll randomly pick one person to win the indicator. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the contest. Let's now check out the charts. The first trading idea that I like to talk about is an intraday trading idea on the ES, which is futures for Standards and Poor's 500 index. So this is the ES chart, and it is a 30-minute time frame. And what is interesting in here is this strong buying activity that took place on Friday. Now, as you can see, before this strong buying activity, there was this heavy volume cluster formed. Those heavy volumes got formed in this rotation, right? And this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. It is at 38.34, and I think that in this zone, strong buyers were building up the long positions in here, and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards. So those buyers in here should defend this zone if there is a pullback in the future. So when the price makes a pullback, then I expect a reaction, right? I expect buyers from this place to start defending the longs which they placed in here and to push the price upwards from there again, right? What I like about this one, about this level, is that it also worked as a strong zone in the past. In here, the price was bouncing off that zone and it worked as a resistance, right? This general zone. And now when the price blew past that resistance, the resistance turned into a support. Alright, so this adds strength to that volume profile setup we found in here, right? Those volumes. So that's why I think that this will work as a strong support. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now let's move on and let's check out another trading idea. The next one will be on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So this is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Again, we are looking at the 30-minute time frame. And what is interesting in here is this strong buying activity that took place on Friday. If I draw my volume profile over that buying activity, you can see that there was a significant zone in here. Heavy volumes were accumulated here within this strong buying activity. And this is telling us that buyers who were pushing the price upwards were adding to the long positions in here, right? So when there's a pullback, then the buyers from this place should become active and they should start defending this place because it's clearly important for them, right? Because they placed a lot of their longs there. So they should become active, and that's why I think that they'll start pushing the price upwards, and I think that there'll be a reaction, right? That heavy volume zone is beginning at 104.23. This is where I think that the price is most likely to turn. All right, so that's that support on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. And what I have for you is one more support. This one is on the Australian dollar Japanese yen, and it's very similar to this one. As you can see, the chart looks very similar as the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. In here, we also had strong buying activity on Friday, and within this strong buying activity, there was a significant volume cluster in here. So the logic is the same. This strong buying activity represents a place where strong and aggressive buyers were pushing the price upwards, and that heavy volume cluster in here is an area where those buyers were adding to the long positions, right? This is an important zone for those buyers, and that's why it should work as a support, because buyers should try and defend it when there's a pullback. So when the price makes it back to this level at 93.43, then it's likely that the buyers from here will want to defend this place and push the price upwards from there again. That's why it should work as a strong support. All right, so that's for the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Now, before I wrap this video up, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you. And the new thing is a whole new course. It is called Stock Investing with Volume Profile. So let me switch over to my website. So this is the website, trader-dale.com. And right there's the banner, Stock Investing with Volume Profile. So you click that and it will take you to this page. There's a video at the top. You can watch the video to learn everything that you are going to get with this stock investing pack. In short, there's 15 hours of training videos. There are 70 videos. There are also a couple of indicators. And if you want to get that pack, you can get it in here. Currently, there is an initial sale, which means that you can get it for $3.97, but that sale will be ending at the end of the month, the end of June. So if you want it cheaper, then you still have a couple of days to get it. Right, so anyways, that's about this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.